Quick question. Do you actually know what websites are allowed to access on your phone? Because if you are using Google Chrome, some websites may already have permission to see your location, access your camera, and store your data without you ever checking. Why these settings matter? This doesn't mean Google itself is spying on you, but Chrome acts like a gatekeeper. And if you never change these settings, websites can quietly collect more data than they should. Advertisers, analytics companies, and third party scripts depend on this. Here is how to stop this. Open Google Chrome, tap the three dots in the top right corner, then tap Site Settings. Think of this as the control room. This is where you decide what websites are allowed to do on your device. Tap Location. When this is on, websites can request your precise or approximate location. That means local ads, location-based tracking, and sometimes even mapping your daily habits. Simply turn it off. If a trusted site like Google Maps needs it later, you can allow it manually, one site at a time. Go back and tap Camera. When this is enabled, any website can request access to your camera. Most people assume only apps can do this, but websites can too. Turn it off too. No camera access means no accidental permissions, no silent misuse. Go back and scroll all the way down. Tap Data Stored. This section shows you every website that has saved information on your phone: cookies, login tokens, tracking data. Some of this helps sites load faster, but a lot of it is used for profiling and ad targeting. Tap Clear All Data and confirm. This resets your digital footprint inside Chrome. Do this every few weeks, especially if you browse a lot or shop online. You don't need extra apps or paid tools, just better settings.